Okay, we are out at the flip today. This will be the first video out here in Independence off 23rd in Sterling. This project is more of a cleaning project. This one's gonna be fun. So, hoping to have this one done in a couple months. The inside's where it gets really fun. It's a corner lot. Don't have to do a whole lot. All the trim needs to be done. The inside's absolutely disgusting. Too bad you can't smell on this because everything smells like poop and pee. I've already bagged up some of the stuff in this house. That's normal. Pallet to secure the door. Oh, the basement. I think that's going to be the biggest transformation in this house. A little dirty. The toilet's water's just been pouring down the basement from the toilet. So that's shut off now. Yep. This is what meth heads do. And the rest of the house. It's a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. Kitchen's actually, this house was really nice before it was being rented. The bathroom. Only if you could smell it. Now this room, I think is where they kept the dogs, but I've already cleaned this one up a little bit. And then this, lovely. I already found drug needles. The whole house looked like this. I just had to clean it up just to get in here. But anyways, here is another one of our flips.
No way.
So it'll look pretty awesome when it's done. Lots of beer cans. Lots of beer cans. It's going to be in Independence, Jessica. That's what I piled up and then the animals all got into. So, this is off of Harris, 2204 Harris in Independence. Nice big corner lot. Can't even see the house. But that'll look a lot different when we're done. Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.